one of the most funny incidents is, when we kids were trying to play at being, American Jews, understanding nothing about Judaism, and every Russian loved kielbasa, obviously, which is a pork product. So some of us kids would hide in the bathroom of Schechter eating pork, just perched on toilets like little squirrels, like. And this rabbi knocked down the door. It was like one of those 70s Starsky and Hutch movies, except with a giant bearded rabbi. And he knocked down the door and he said, "It's because of you the Holocaust happened." Oh. And I was like, shit, I really thought I did it, And I was like telling the other guy, I was like, what, did we do 3 million each? Because this is, I really believed it for a while, so that I think summarizes how Soviet Jews tried to adapt to this country.